Hey everybody, we are Team Voice Garden, and this is our submission for the 2018 Brick Hack 4. We're working on a project to have Google Home communicate with an Arduino to automatically keep track of and water your garden. I am Patrick, I'm from the Ohio State University. This is my fourth hackathon.
Hi, I'm Zach, I'm from RIT.
Alex, RIT.
I was doing a lot of work with the Arduino, helping getting that wired and getting all the code set up in C++ and getting it synced with Firebase, so that way all the changes that happen in the garden are pushed up to Firebase. And we even got it working the other way so that when Firebase changes, when the user requests for the garden to be watered, you can have that change get pushed so that the watering pump pumps water into the plant. You want to talk about your part?
Yeah, so I helped out with the hardware, getting the Arduino all set up. I also helped out with the Arduino code and just helped whatever was needed of me.
And I wrote the Node.js to communicate the Google Home with the status of what they were uploading to the Firebase.
We've got one more team member, Sal, and Sal was working with Zach on the Google Home interactions, getting everything from the Node.js and from the Google Home pushed down to the Raspberry or to our Arduino and into the garden. One of the problems that we hit was we originally had worked with the EcoDuino, which is this chip over here, and it was working fine for us for the most part up until this morning when we weren't able to get our IDE to identify it. None of the ports were working. We tried it on a couple different computers and didn't get it to work. So that was a big problem for us. So we had to go over, find this Arduino 101, figure out how to map all of our ports over to this new one, and then had to use a breadboard and start to get everything across. In that transition, we were unable to get the water pump to convert over. So right now we don't have functionality of that, but everything else functions right. So let's go into a demo of the Google Home.
Hey Google, talk to Voice Garden.
Sure, here's the test version of Voice Garden. Hi, I'm your personal gardener. What can I help you with?
What is the humidity level of the room?
The humidity of the room your plant is in is 69%.
What is the temperature of the room?
You gotta start it again.
Hey Google, talk to Voice Garden.
Sure, here's the test version of Voice Garden. Hi, I'm your personal gardener. What can I help you with?
What is the temperature of the room?
The temperature of the room your plant is in is 72. Time to sunbathe.
So all that data is being pushed up from this sensor and this sensor. This is our soil sensor and this is our temperature and humidity sensor. All of those get pushed from the Raspberry Pi through serial into a Node.js function. That Node.js function then pushes all of the updates to Firebase. There's a real-time database from Google on the Google Cloud Platform, so we've got live data. This is all pushed up from the Arduino in real time. And then this needs watered is sent from the Google Home whenever we say that we want to water the garden. It pushes that update on there, and when this value changes to true, it sends a notification down to the Arduino, which triggers this water pump to run. But our wiring is a little bit off, so it's not running currently right now.